Welcome to Awesome English. Today we're going to write a short explanation text using only one paragraph. Alright, let's get started. This is our awesome checklist for today. It's our roadmap for success. In order to write an awesome explanation text in one paragraph, you're going to need to do the following things. First, you've got to know what is an explanation text. Then, know that we use an explanation text to describe or explain how or why something happens. Then, you're going to need to structure your explanation text in a very clear way. Now, we have some secret weapons that can help you with that. And finally, to be able to use some really great sentence starters to up-level your work. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so you're in class and your teacher has asked you to write an answer as to why or how something is done. Maybe you've just done an experiment or you've read something you need to write an explanation paragraph for. Don't worry, at Awesome English, we're here to help you. Let's get started. So you might have already figured out what an explanation text is. It explains how or why something happens. Now it's time to introduce our secret weapons. Now these two things can really help you write an awesome paragraph. The first one is the hamburger strategy. Now hamburgers are not only delicious, they can help you write an awesome paragraph. The second one is the P.E.E.L strategy. This is another awesome secret weapon that can make your paragraphs amazing. Now, let's learn more. Okay, let's do one together. Now today, we're going to use the hamburger strategy. If you're interested in learning about the P.E.E.L strategy, check out the video on the channel and the links below. Now, remember, there are different types of explanation texts. We're just going to use the structure today of introduction, extra information or details and descriptions, explanations, and then finally conclusion. We're going to follow that structure and we're going to squeeze it into a juicy burger. Let's learn more. Why listening to the teacher in class is important. Now today I'm going to model to you how to write an explanation paragraph using this topic. So remember, our structure we're using today is introduction, extra detail or description, explanation, and conclusion. So in order to get that whole structure in one paragraph, we're just going to squeeze it down. So you first have to write a sentence that is an introductory sentence that explains the topic of your paragraph. So for example, using this topic, I'm going to write the sentence, concentrating in class and listening to the teacher are important ingredients for learning. Now this is my introductory sentence to introduce the paragraph. You might want to pause the video here. Over to you. Write your introductory sentence. Now it's time for our extra information, description, or a fact sentence. So this is a way to add a little bit more detail to your paragraph. So my sentence is, research shows active listening improves learning 90%. Now, you can use a real fact to up-level your work, but this is a great time to throw in a fact or some real research into your explanation paragraph. Okay, over to you. So after the extra details comes the explanation. In this part, you're probably going to want to use some adverbs of sequence. Things like first, next, then, finally. These are great ways to start your sentences and give that indication of a change in time. Now, so in my instance, I'm going to write something like this. First, we need to understand the learning objective. Then, we need to know the success criteria. Finally, we need to ask any clarifying questions to the teacher or the person next to us to confirm our understanding. So after the explanation comes the conclusion. We're going to want to use sentence starters that indicate that. Things like to sum up, in conclusion, therefore. These are great ways to show the reader that you're concluding your hamburger structure. You're putting that bread at the bottom of your juicy burger to keep it all together. So in my instance, I'm going to conclude saying, in conclusion, listening to the teacher and asking questions is crucial to learning. Now it's time for a recap of our learning objective today. So, we had a few learning objectives at the beginning of the lesson. You can talk to the person next to you or say it out loud and review your knowledge. So, number 1, what is an explanation text? Number 2, to know that an explanation text describes how or why something happens. Then, the paragraph. How do we structure an explanation text using our 2 secret weapons? And can you remember what they are? And finally, what kind of sentence starters can we use to make our explanation paragraph awesome? Chat with the person next to you and keep learning. Now it's time for us to do some independent writing. Go and write an explanation paragraph by yourself. Remember, an explanation paragraph will describe how or why something has happened. Don't forget to use our 2 secret weapons, the hamburger and P.E.E.L, to make your paragraph excellent. And finally, don't forget to use those sentence starters or those phrases that we've been using today to up-level your writing and make it awesome. Okay, thanks for learning with us today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you improved your writing skills. Now remember, if you want to learn more about how to become an awesome writer, subscribe to our channel to find out more. I'll see you next time and remember to stay awesome.